What up, peeps? I don't know this takes so long. No. Me no know, me no know, me no know, me no know. But let us do some work. What a go on, what a go on. Like the video, guys, if you're there. If you watch the playback, like the video same way. Don't know. Why it is taking so long? I have no idea whatsoever. I'm not sure why it's taking so long. Honestly. I think you're probably not sharing your screen. I share everything. I don't know. Wow. New to that one here, you know, guys. We're new to that one here. This is something. I've never shared my screen. Where the file is. Analysis. Analysis. Supposed to be this. Oh, so come off right there. I thought, yeah, yo, what the hell? What the hell? Alright, these are the real thing. So we reached number 31, right? We reached 31, guys. So let's just start from 31. If you never catch the other video, you can walk it back on that. You know, it's much work me do from there. Me do PEP class, me do CXC class, me do lower school, me do tutoring, me do one-on-one. Yo. So guys, I'm gonna finish this one, alright? Say in order, an order costs $400. A customer has a choice of discount vouchers. A quarter off, 50% off, 20% off, or 1/3 off. Which discount gives the cheapest price for the order? See if we can go in the comment section. Big up everybody who joined. Yeah, guys, it's City and Gills. It's City and Gills. CXC peeps, we soon come up with food one, alright? Alright. An order costs $400. A customer has a choice of discount voucher. Which discount voucher Give the cheapest price for the order. I'm in the comment section now. Haley, what a go on? Amaya, City and Gills. Somebody said D. That's Sadler. All right, big up. D. All right. I agree, guys. It's D. Right? 1/3 is the biggest out of all of them, right? 20%. It'll be what? 2/5? No, not even 2/5. 1/5. It's a 1/5. $50 off is basically 25%. Not even 25%. About 1/8. And then a quarter off. That don't make no sense. So the biggest discount will be 1/3. All right, guys. Make a roll. Make a roll. Make a roll. Let's go. What about this one? On a map with a scale of 1 to 75,000, the distance between two places is 10 centimeters. What is the actual distance in kilometers? Oh, stage 3, guys. Stage 3. Sorry about the stage 2. Stage 2. This is because our school don't do stage 2. Them hard to get. But next year, stage 2. Stage 3, guys. Stage 3. All right. So what's the answer for 32? On a map of scale of 1 to 75,000, the distance between two places is 10 centimeters. No man, them not repeat. That's the same type of question, but them not repeat. It's different numbers. You have to understand it to get it. From me I do them guys, me not really see them repeat it, honestly. Alright, let's go. It's supposed to be 1, 2, 3 zeros times 10 divided by So this gives us what? 7, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that will be 7.5 kilometers. All right, 33. A manager shares bonus payment between supervisor A and trainee B. The ratio 3 to 2. The bonus payment is 270. How much money does the trainee B receive? Oh, like the video, guys. Like the video in the meantime, so more people can come on and go on some work. Air fryer is not great for, but you can stay still and learn, yeah? And please ensure so you like the video. Somebody said 33 is B. Sadler. All right, let's go, guys. So the ratio is 3 to 2, and the total payment is 270, right? So what we have to do, find the total ratio, which is 3 plus 2. So the total ratio is 5. But remember, they asked for the trainee, and the trainee is the last one. So they might get the 2. Us trainee, and so it go, you get less pay. So that'll be 2 over 5 times 270. And of course, we can go ahead and divide 5 into itself 1. 5 into this goes 5, 5, 25, right? Remainder 2. So this gives us 4. And then, of course, it will be 2 times 54. And as the one person said, 108. Only one person answer, guys. What's happening? Oh, I'll just answer as well. Yeah, man, make a answer, man. Make a answer. We need this, guys. We need this. A cook uses 2 eggs and 6 dozens of flour and a recipe. Express the ratio of eggs to flour in its simplest form. What's the answer for that? Is it 1 to 3, 2 to 6, 1 to 8, 3 to 1? I make it a little bigger again, you know, guys. The blind people then. So a cook uses 2 eggs and 6 dozens of flour in a recipe. Express the ratio of eggs to flour in its simplest form. Is it 1 to 3, 2 to 6, 1 to 8, or 3 to 1? Alright, Yannick say A, Jada say A, Sadler say A, Danik say A. Simple as that, guys. So we just break down 2 to 6. 6 can divide into 2 can go into both of them. So that gives us 1 to 3. This couldn't work, guys, because the order matters. Alright? So it's 1 to 3. Sometimes students make this error. Like if they put 3 to 1 up at top, they make the error and put 3 to 1. But it follows the order. So egg first and then flour. Some flour I fried this morning, you know, with some saltfish and fried plant. Alright. A hotel buys shampoo in 5-liter containers. They use this to fill small bottles that hold 50 milliliter. How many milliliter bottles can be filled from one container? Let's go again. A hotel buys shampoo in 5 liters container. They use this to fill small bottles that hold 50 milliliter. How many 50 milliliter bottles can be filled from one container? Oh, Jada, I have to put the number, just like last night. If a 35 your answer, put 35. When we see the letters alone, I don't know where 34 stop, where 35. So just put the number beside it. Like for example, you put 35A, 35B, and so. So I can know which one you're talking. Alright. See Jada and Kerry do it there? Yeah. So you put the number along with the letter. So we know which one you're talking. Alright, let's proceed. Guys, we're taking too long to answer the questions. So what's happening? What's happening? Let's go, man. So a hotel buys shampoo in 5 liters container. They use it to fill small bottles that hold 50 milliliter. Una want hotel job, man. Una want hotel job. Una have to do them. Una have to answer them if you want hotel job, you know. Alright, so we have 5 liters. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna convert the 5 liters to milliliters because since as this in a milliliter, right? So we're gonna multiply by 1,000. Why we do that? It takes 1 liter is equal to 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliter. So we have to multiply, alright, and then we divide by the 50. So boom, we get 5,000 and we divide it by 50. Divide by 10 first. 5 into 500, that goes 100 times. Somebody did say A. A would not be it, guys. A is not it. Alright. So 35 is B. Big up yourself if you chose B. 36 says a shopkeeper has 10 kilograms of bird seed. He uses this to fill 300 grams packs. How many of these packs can he make? And please put the number. So put 36. If you think it's A, put 36A. If you think it's B, put 36B. If you think it's C, put 36C. So we can see what's happening. And guys, remember to share it with a friend. Tomorrow is the exam. So if you can share with a friend, then come on, come test out them skill. Not a problem. You know, Mr. Bennett encourage that. What's the answer for 36? I'm not seeing any answers yet. I wonder if my chat freeze. Alright, Sadler says B. Kian R said B. Air fryer said B. So 3 persons so far. Yannick said B as well. Alright. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Who share it yet? Can you share it yet, guys? Come on, let's go. Nahilia. I'm not sure if I pronounce that name right. Or Nahilia. God have me says C. You're the only one that says C so far. God have me. Can we get 2 more answers, guys? No people up on the live. Let's go, let's go. Alright, so we have 10 kilogram. Notice the weight is in, one is in kilogram, one is in gram. Once you're doing this, you have to look out for those guys. These are the things that they use to trip up students. Sometimes students not even realize that it's different units, so we have to do the conversion. Now, 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So that means that 10 kilogram is going to equal, in terms of gram, 10,000, because we're going to multiply 10 by 1,000. So that's the first step. So what we're actually working with is 10,000. Oh, 3 zeros, yeah. And we divide by 300. Now both of them is the same unit, so we can divide. 3 into 100 goes 33 times and 1 over 3. But remember, this 1/3 will not fill it up. So don't be tempted to put 34. It's actually B. Alright, Amaya Clark says she shared to the group. Thanks so much, much appreciated. Make them come test out them skill, man. Make them come test out them skill. And I want to say congratulations to everyone who is here, because I'm sure you're gonna pass. I am 100% sure you're gonna pass. Alright, let's go, let's go. It says, and everybody knows it's a British exam, right? The time in London, UK is 5 hours ahead of New York, USA. What time is it in London when it is 11 p.m. in New York on Sunday? Is it A, 4 a.m., B, 6 p.m. Sunday, or C, 4 a.m. Monday, D, 6 p.m. Monday? So 37, we're at 37. If somebody wondering why we so fast, we actually started from last night. So we did from 1 to 30 last night. So we just pick up back from where we left off. Kate Gamer 558, so what grade is this? This is City and Guild Stage 3, guys. All students should be doing this exam. All students should be doing this exam. This exam is accepted in 270 countries across the world. Country we love foreign. We love US, Canada, England. Come here, you can love them places. Yeah, it accepted there. This is, in my opinion, this is bigger than our exam, because if 270 countries accept it, it's really a big deal. All right, so I'm seeing 4 a.m. Monday. Udaya says A, 4 a.m. Sunday. Udaya Wagwan. Big up, big up. Guyanese in the house. Yeah, man. Big up Udaya. Yannick says C. Naelia says C. Eva Dennis says here. Oh, yeah, Eva, you're from Guyana too. Big up, man. Big up. Yeah, man. For real, for real. No joke, no joke. All right. So, guys, think about it. First, we have to identify which one is ahead and which one is behind, right? So, it says the time in London, UK is 5 hours ahead. So, UK is ahead. So, guess what? It have to reach UK first and then USA. So, UK, they're ahead, all right? So, what time is it in London when it's 11 p.m.? The time in London, UK is 5 hours ahead. Oh, so 5 hours ahead of New York, right? What time is it in London when it's 11 p.m.? Oh, so guess what? UK they are ahead. So it passed 11 p.m. in a UK, right? So we're gonna add 5 hours to this. Boom. 1 hour we got 12 p.m., right? So it's gonna be 4 a.m. the next day, which is Monday. Remember at night, it's in a UK, you know. In a USA, you know. New York, New York. Big up if you're from New York. So that means it's Monday. This is the table part, guys. It can be a little bit tedious with the table part, but we're gonna try to show everything, all right? I'll probably have to go wind it down a little. All right, here we go, here we go. Everybody should be able to see it. So we are 38. What is the equivalent in UK size? 44 in Italy. So if it's 44 in Italy, what is it in UK size? What's the equivalent in UK of size 44 in Italy? City and Guild stay, City and Guild stay 3. This exam is going on tomorrow. Sabrina, pick up yourself. Devin Peterson says 12. It's City and Guild stay 3. This is the British exam. Tony and Alan says 12. All right. So guys, all we have to do, just find 44 in Italy and then we go to UK, which is 12. All right. Very good. Very good. You guys are correct. Just like the video, guys. No matter after which video, just like it. Like it. This table shows the different accounts bank offers to savers. And so we have the account, we have the minimums, we have the savings rate, the minimum deposit, the maximum deposit, the minimum period for access of the money. So let us see if we can figure out this one. It says a saver has $12,000 to put into an account and needs to access the money in 6 months' time. She wants her money to earn as much as possible. I know what they're gonna ask. Which is the best for her? Which is the best account for her? I'm gonna have to show you the answers as well. Yeah. Let me small up this. Which is it now, guys? A saver has 12,000 to put into an account and needs to access the money in 6 months' time. She wants her money to earn as much as possible. Which is the best account for her? So waiting for this one. No response as yet for 39. All right. Somebody say bonus saver. No. Somebody said C. C is bonus saver as well. Somebody says saving 1, 2, 3. Cornel says C. Benita Singh. Singh, you're from either Trinidad or Guyana, right? You go. C as well. God have me says C. Cornel, God says C as well. So everybody's saying bonus saver. Nicholas says C as well. Udaya says C. Nelia says C. Christopher says B. All right. Let us look at it, guys, step by step. So they give us a time limit, right? The person must have access to it in 6 months. That's the first thing. So this one is good. This one say you have to take 2 years before you can have access. So I could cross out iSaver. Them not them come like some bank of Jamaica. They don't want to give no loan until you reach. So take off the 1 year. The 1 year say 1 year as well, which is my savings. High interest, take off the one there because 1 year before you can get your money. We really need our money in 6 months. All right, so we're done with that now. These are good. This is 6 months, this is none, this is none, right? All right, let us look at it now. It says now $12,000. She has 12,000. Now the maximum deposit you can make is 10 and 10 for these two. Who noticed that? You can't put in the 12. The minimum good enough, but the maximum is 10. So we can take out bonus saver because they don't accept more than something there. More than 12, right? That 1 year too. More than 10. So that leave with savings 1, 2, 3. Tell me if you don't agree, guys. Tell me if you don't agree. Yeah, it should have been A. So, because this is the part where the problem, where the maximum deposit. And let's say I go deposit 2 times, right? They have a limit for the deposit 10,000 and 10,000. So that 1 year, the maximum at 20, so they're good to go. So you see, just like in real life, 1% I best then can give way. Whoa, murder, the bank, them a thief, all from the city and guilds people, them a thief, them a criminal. But everybody get what I'm saying. All right, so 1% is the maximum you can get. 40 says the picture shows the dial of a speedometer and a racing car. What is the reading shown in the dial? So let me go down so everybody can see. Jerisha, so A. Which number, Jerisha? Jerisha, you know, put the number, you know. We're at 40. Put the 40, guys. If you think it's 40A, 40B, 40C, whatever it is, all right? Well, go on, Britty. Sadler says C, which is 195. Pagan say yes. I'm not sure why the yes. Oh, it makes sense now. All right, all right. So somebody takes them, look at them delay. Dylan, what that? Ramdiwar. Pronounce your name. Ramdiwar. Just call it Dylan, yeah. Ramdiwar. Christopher says C, 195. Stage 3, guys. Stage 3. Share it if you know nobody about the stage 3 as well, alright? So Terry Smith says stage 3 there. Alright, I'm going to look on it, guys. It's fairly easy. As we can notice, we're going up by 5 first. You see it? One of them stroke here a 5. After a while, I think it changed, you know. So this becomes 15, 20. So you start go up by 10 now. Who noticed that? It's like the space I get wider. I don't know. Now we are at basically 180. And the next step, what they give us, what we know is 210. So we can count the spaces between it. It will be 90, 200, 210. So it's going up by 10. So we pass 190, but we don't reach 200. So it's between, it's halfway between. Let me just give a little zoom so persons can see that. It's halfway between the 190 and the 200. So this is 190 and this is 200. So it's halfway between it. So that means it is 195 would be our answer. So I zoom in, guys. Yeah, man, I'm going to do the CXC soon. I'm just making some money, guys, but I'm going to do it. I do the videos them, you know. You can go and watch the videos them. But I'm going to do the CXC live and test you guys' speed. It will not be about if you can do this something, but it will be about speed. So 1.5 minutes per question for CXC, alright? City and Guilds, you get 2 hours. So you basically get 2 minutes to do each question. Alright, I could just zoom down a little bit. The pie chart shows the satisfaction ratings given by 300 guests at a hotel. A be a hotel them talk about, you know, guys. Be a hotel. Some are come. If you want to go to a hotel, go relax after you stress out on yourself and do some exam. Alright, it says now, how many guests said that the hotel was good? Which hotel is that? If you know from Jamaica, which hotel is good? Where should Mr. Benny take his vacation this year? The Marcus say me a hustler. No, sir. We just give the people them want. Them a request class, guys. So me just do the class them. Remember some maths make me eat, you know, guys. Everything I do is maths. My YouTube are maths. My online class are maths. I just maths. Can't manage construction work. You can't manage call center work. Because them say me not have call center voice. But for accounts and then something about, yeah, teaching the thing there, guys. Teaching the thing there. Alright, so me I say B. Real, me go real last time, you know. One guy, the one who name, what the brother they did, we used to put Stuart, son. Film, what tell Moango. He used to go to the same school as me, you know, put Stuart. So me see 25 guess. Me see 75. Me don't think at 25, you know, it look too small. Alright, so guys, these are the good, right? Right, these are the good. So basically, this is 90 degrees. So it's a quarter of it. So all we have to do, multiply a quarter by the 300. Because remember, I think probably somebody forget that they said that it was 300 guests. So it's a quarter of 300, which work out to 75. So it will be 75 guests. Because all we are going to do, divide 4 into that. 300, which gives us 75. Desire. So what is this? It's Math City and Guilds Stage 3. Alright. Not many people doing it, but it's one of my favorite exams. I prefer this than your favorite exam because this is a fair exam. They give you, they tell us a 5 fraction come. 3 algebra come. They tell us say you're gonna get 2 area come. They don't repeat the questions, you know, but the format never changes, which is good. So you actually have to learn it to pass it. Or you can guess. Danik, right? Put the number, please. Alright, this one says this chart company. The chart shows the company sales in 3 regions. When was the steepest drop in sales? Is it A, January to February, Europe? B, February to March, North America? C, March to April, Asia? Or D, June to July in Asia? This one is a little bit tricky, guys. I think I did this on a paper already and I made a mistake on it, because I was looking at this thing here and I didn't realize that it's actually stopped at March. Jermisha say, I don't understand. Somebody say A. All right, let us explore them. We're not spend much time on this in terms of you guys doing it. All right. So which has the steepest drop? So we're going to look at where we are and where we end up over the period. So from January to February, Europe. Now Europe is this dotted line. So from January, it was 20,000. What number it dropped to in February, which is right here. So each one of them represent 1. So we minus 18, no, 12. So this is, this is right here. So this is 12. So that means it dropped by 8,000. $8,000. That's for A. It dropped by $8,000. Let's explore the next one. It said from February to March, North America. So I'm going to find North America first. And it's from February, which is right here, to March. As I said, on a video, I thought it was right here. I didn't realize that this is April. So it's February to March. Right? So we are at 25 in February. Where did we end up in this? So we're at 18, basically 18, 19. So that minus 19 leave what? 6,000. All right. The next one says from March to April, but it's Asia. So from March to April, Asia. So let us find Asia, which is this dotted line here. And it's from March to April. So we can say this is a one small little jump. We are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14, and we end up at about 11, 12. So it's just 2. So it can't be that. Let's look at June to July, Asia. June to July. So we have Asia, the black dotted line here. June to July. So June, we're right here, which is 15, 16, 17, 18. So it's 18 minus 11, which is about 7. So the one of the biggest drop where they lose the most money is from January to February in Europe. On to some easier ones now, guys. Everybody favorite. You know, say here, so everybody are gonna love them here. Kishan White, this is City and Guilds. It's not CXC, but City and Guilds. Still have CXC type questions on it. So if you can stay, you can do it. Somebody say, Chantel say, sir, you're doing live on agriculture. I don't have any agriculture paper, guys. Only the ones on it. Alright? The table shows the maximum temperature each day for a week. What is the range of these? What's the range here, guys, for 43? Put the answer along with the letter, the number. 43B. So somebody think it's 4. So we have one answer so far. Michaela says C. Kiona says B. Just watch one of them on the YouTube channel, man. Just watch them. And hopefully they can help you guys. Alright? Next year, guys. Here, Kemar, a City and Guilds. Stage 3, Kemar. Stage 3. Next year, we do stage 2. Alright. So, guys, how do we find range? It's the highest value subtract the lowest. So the highest is 90. And the lowest would be 86. See them put them beside each other? So it's actually 4. So that would be B. Let's move on to 44. The table shows the number of ice cream sold over 6 days. What is the average mean number of ice cream sold? So guys, work out that and tell me. Oh, stage 1. Guys, because I don't do stage 1 at my school. Stage 3, Shanika. Because I have to go source them, guys. I have to go source them, alright? And then I can do them. But because it's only stage 3 we do at our school, so that's why I'm kind of have stage 3. Yes, Sabrina, sorry about that. But hopefully you pass and next year you take on stage 3. I want to have City and Guilds class as well, you know, on a full-time basis and a timetable. As it's my favorite exam, to be honest. I think it's the most fair exam in the land. Out of PEP, CXC, City and Guilds, I think it's the best one to me. Because it's fair. They don't try to trick you, they just give you. Once you know what they ask, I will become an ambassador for this. So it's stage 3. What is the average mean number of ice cream sold? What's the mean? All right, Mr. 44A, which is 450. Dylan Ramdawar said B. Who packaging the name correct? Dylan said B. Yeah. 480. Guys, you know, you can find the mean by looking at it. We can try 480 and see if 480 makes sense, you know. Because look at it. This would be 480 already. In order to get this to 480, we can do it without adding it up, you know. In order to get this, we have to take off 20, right? So we're going to add 20 to this. So this is a 470 now. We take off that 10 here. So this make 480. So this is also 480. This is going to be 480. And that 1 year are going to be 480. I will take off the 10 off of this, right? And this one now, we take off 10 off of this and put it on this. So this become 482. So yeah, 488, guys. It is 480. When you take off the 10 off of this, you have 480. So you see, guys, there's so many ways you can do maths without have to add up and divide. You can kind of freestyle it. Yeah, stage 1 are the easiest one. But the problem with stage 1, why we cut it out, not everyone accept it. But with stage 3, you can go UE, you can go UTech, you can go become a nurse. Everything you can do with it. Only 2 things you can do. You can make it become a maths teacher. You can make it get an engineering course or any advanced maths course. But yeah, you can do every single thing. Police, soldier, nurse, teacher, teacher's college. But as I say, you can become a maths teacher with it. So you know you have to get 1 in a CXC to become a maths teacher. Alright, let's go. He said the table shows the price of the same gift in 5 different shops. What is the mode of these prices? Is it 9, 11, 14, or 15? Yeah, man, 480 is correct, Dylan. That's what I was saying. Michaela, it's not grade 5. It's City and Guild stage 3. I see a question we doing a CXC, you know, guys. Find more than them something. Maths are just maths. I want people to understand that. Grade 6 maths is no different from grade 7 maths. Grade 8 maths is no different from grade 7 maths. Grade 8 maths is no different from grade 9 and so on. It's the same thing we're doing, just that level up. But it's the same topics we're doing, you know. Alright, somebody said $15. The mode is 15. I don't think the mode is 15. It's the mode is the number that occurs the most, which is $14. So $14 is there twice, no other number. Number 46, there are 10 sweets in a bag. 4 are orange flavor and 6 are lemon flavor. What is the probability that the first sweet taken out of the bag at random will be an orange flavor? Yeah, Divine Patterson. I agree. Probability, guys. You don't have to spend long on probability. You see that you know it or you don't know it, right? This is a topic in CXC as well. Somebody said 46 is B. Michaela said B. 2/3. Okay, then I'm gonna rub it off. No. Me say it already, so I'm gonna rub it off. It's okay to get one wrong, you know, guys. Nothing wrong. Just make sure say in the exam, yo, more want to come back on that video and type so when you get distinction so the next generation can see it. When now notice me now say if when you get a distinction, put it and say yo, distinction me get. Alright? So people can say it's a good video. Alright. Alright, so there are 10 seeds in the bag. 4 of them are orange flavor, while 6 are lemon. So we have 4 for orange and 6 for lemon. So it's a total of 4 plus 6, which is 10. So our denominator has to be 10, and the orange flavor is 4. Now we don't see 4/10 here. So what we can do, reduce it to its lowest, which gives us 2/5. So if you had said 2/5, you are indeed correct. So 46 is B. This is the latest paper, guys, the latest one, the latest City and Guilds, which is this year. But it's the mock exam, I think. Use the formula to find the speed S when the distance D is 120 kilometers and the time taken is 3 hours. Notice they give you the speed formula, which is D/T. What is the speed? Come on, guys. What is the speed? What is the speed? What is the speed? PUBG, correct. For the previous one. Good job. Somebody said 47 is B, Sadler. First one to say B. Devin said 40. Oh, you just put the answer instead. 120 divided by 3. Alright. So they give you the distance. So we tell all them guys them fear. Once I can do it, them now stop you. It's a fear exam this. In a poor country, exam set for your fail. In a rich country, it's set for your pass. So that's it be B. Why poor country set exam for your fail? Them no want nobody be eligible for work. So if few people qualify for work, it's gonna look like say the unemployment rate alright. Guys, there's so many things that I know that I don't really talk. But that is why some exam is so hard. It's deliberate for you to fail. Alright. 48 says solve the equation 3y plus 3 is equal to 36. What is the value of y? Somebody said y is 6. 48 says C. Somebody says C. Hope G says C. Ariel Lewis says C. Hope G says C again. All right, let's go. So guys, I don't think it's going to be B. I think it's more likely to be C. So we have 3y plus 3 is equal to 36. First step, you take the inverse of this, which is to minus 3 from both sides. So this gives you 33. And of course, we divide by 3. So once you divide by 3, 33 divided by 3 is equal to 11. So our answer would be 11. What about 49? Some people reach a 49 already. Solve the equation. 12x minus 6 is equal to 42. What's the value of x this time? Somebody says C. 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 Udaya says C as well. Michaela says C. Kevin says C. Nahelia says C. Alright. So guys, I be a C me a C. Yeah, me da beach already. Alright, so we say solve this. So it will be 12x minus 6. So this time we're doing the opposite. So we're adding 6. So we add 6 to 42, which gives us 48. So all we have to do, divide 48 by 12. How many times you can get 12 out of 48? 4 times. 12, 12, 24, 24 double. Alright. Let's see how you guys angle number 50. A company has a daily charge to hire a machine plus a delivery charge of $15. Use P for the price each day and T for the number of days. Which is the correct formula to find the total cost C? See 50 here now, man. See 50 here. 50 is on screen now. Oh guys, if you WhatsApp me, you don't see me respond, I'm not ignoring what actually happening. I'm using my phone to do the chat because it's on my laptop and I can't see the chat. So I'm using my phone as the chat. So for those persons who say I'm ignoring their message, I'm not. Alright? My City and Guild students is a priority. Alright. So I'm seeing A, and that makes sense, guys, because remember, they say a plus a delivery, right? So you have to have plus. Well, two of them have plus, but this one, to divide, will make no sense, right? You have to times it. So if it's $10 per day, and it's 10 days, you're going to get 10 times 10, which is 100. So that is A. So you guys are correct. Well done, well done, well done. Let's go again, guys. Let's go again. It's a relationship between X and Y. If you're in a relationship and it's not working, you know what to do. Focus on your maths. Focus on your maths. The graph shows the relationship between X and Y. What's the relationship, guys? One study it. Oh, let me write my number. 876. Somebody type it for me. 876 549 2161. You know, everywhere, guys, everybody's supposed to have it. We don't need to give the lady, what's your name? Miss Flavel need to have my number. I have some education ideas on how to help the youths them. My number they everywhere. My number they everywhere, man. My number they on my YouTube channel. They everywhere, guys. And I'm bridging can check now where I reason and my phone rings about 100 times and the man say, how your phone rings so often? People, I mean, I put it on the guys, because people always want to, if I even information, people want. So, we give them. So, I give Auntie that number here. Make she call me, alright? She can get me anytime. Alright, the graph shows the relationship between X and Y. So, guys, what is the relationship? These are the options. Let me small it up a little bit. The graph shows Y is equal to half X. Y is equal to 2x, x is equal to y, x is equal to 2y. What's the relationship there? Look at the numbers carefully and study them. Yeah, man, maths are the best thing, guys. If you want to happy in a relationship, you couldn't get in the maths right. If you can't budget your money, man, your relationship not go happy. When girl want to go shopping, them no want hear no excuse. Get your money up, get your maths up. You see what I say? Real maths me I tell you. I don't just maths me teaching with our facts. Yeah man, yeah man. Now forget your money up. And every day woman want box food, they want fancy food sometime, you know what I mean? Nice ambience. They want to go chuck off in a pool and see a couple white people around them. Alright, Jermisha, take care. You can always come back. You want to eat fancy food so them can snap. You can snap the food and not snap you. But nothing wrong with that same way. Yeah. And then can't trust the man them, That's why them do that. Alright, so let me see y is equal to 2x. Let us see if that makes sense. Y equal to 2x. So the value of x is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. X is 2. 2 times that. Yeah. I agree with that one. Y is equal to 2x. Y half x couldn't y equal half x couldn't work. Because half of 1, it'll be half, right? So you see? Yeah, while y is supposed to be 2. So this one makes sense. X equal y couldn't work. Now x is a smaller one, so it couldn't equal to 2y. As someone who got exam go reason it out, guys. Mr. Acosta, if you text me, I will definitely respond, man. But I'm using my phone for the live, so I will respond, alright? Just put your name in the text so I know it's you as well. You know what? I'm going to respond to everyone. But I'm using my phone for the chat. Alright? It's first I'm going live like this, guys. From yesterday. I figured it out. On my YouTube channel, I see it, After me I pay for much thousands of dollars for Zoom, me can't go live on Zoom. Alright, 52. This graph shows the maximum temperature in England. I remember it's a British exam, right? So if you see the matter about England, Islop, it's not CXE, but it's CXE type questions. It's City and Guilds. It's a British exam, alright? And those who are, let me say this too. If you have anybody who is in grade 6, going grade 6 next year, doing the PEP exam, I want to sign them up for the City and Guilds exam, stage 3. I will be signing up my PEP students. Guys, everybody feel in my class. So I don't need to talk this so. Give them my number, make them go in my class. This graph shows the temperature in England. What else is needed to make the reader understand this chart? Is it A, the scale on the horizontal axis, B, a label on the horizontal axis, C, a label on the vertical axis, or D, a scale on the vertical axis? Which is it, guys? What is missing? What else you need to make the reader C, a label on the vertical axis. That's the first option for Sadler. Guys, by tomorrow when we come from school, we want to look on the video here and see people are celebrate. Tomorrow is the exam. Tomorrow is the exam for City and Guilds. We want to see people type and say, sir, distinction, 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 distinction. Udaya said D, a scale on the vertical axis. Hold on there, guys. They know say that one here. When they say label, what do they mean? Because it's already labeled as temperature for two, you know. Me I made this deep, you know. Tony and big up. Guys, you know say the temperature is actually the label already. So you need a scale. Scale tell you the number like 5, 10, 15, 20. So that them are called scale, you know. So I'm going with D with this one. Because the temperature itself is the label. So we now call the numbers label, right? So you know say temperature, you can say probably start from -5 and 0, 5, 10, whatever, right? So that's the scale. How much it go up by. So may I go with D? Yeah, that me realize say the temperature, the label. As I was saying, label the thing with numbers. That one here now, guys. 53. Which of these statements are true? A pentagon is a polygon, a trapezium is a quadrilateral, a rhombus is a parallelogram. So what's the answer for 53? Yes, Simone. Big up, big up. Which of these are true? A pentagon is a polygon, a trapezium is a quadrilateral, a rhombus is a parallelogram. Somebody say A. A say X and Y only. So you're saying a rhombus is not a parallelogram. I would say they are all true though, you know, guys, because A is correct, right? A pentagon is a polygon. A trapezium is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means it have four sides. A rhombus is also a parallelogram. So a D. All right, see the D them coming on. Yeah, so that is correct. And guys, if you just join the live, ensure say you watch part 1 from last night, all right? 50. An aircraft leaves the airport and travel east. What is the bearing on the aircraft from the airport? All right, Mr. B. Wanna ring, but me can't answer it. All right, guys, let me just finish the paper. 90, Mr. B. Mr. C for 54, which is 270. Mr. B, Mr. 45. Now here I said this class is not for me. Oh my. Oh, B. All right, let's look at it, guys. So what it is, you always start at a north line. So this is our north line, right? And if it's gonna go east, east would be here. This one would be south, and then no one test in the west. Now this is 90 degrees, right? So it's B. Yeah. Good job, guys. Good job. Go celebrate, 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 celebrate. Good job, good job. All right, let's move on to 55. Paper done fast, man. A regular polygon has interior angles measures 60 degrees. What shape is the polygon? So that's 55. What shape is the polygon? Yeah, man, everybody a go pass. 100% sure. Everybody a go pass. Somebody say hexagon. The Vianney says D, triangle, 55D. Remember, guys, X is the interior angles. If it was exterior, then you could consider this because it has 6 sides, right? But it's actually D, triangle. Just think of it as an equilateral triangle. 60, 60, 60. All right, everybody here trigonometry, but let's go. This is a right angle triangle. What is the length of the side marked X? And it's not drawn to scale. What is the length of the side marked X? All right, God have you. God go with you. All right. What's the answer for 56 now, guys? I'll return all call and messages when I'm finished, all right? I'm using my phone for the chat. All right, what's it for 56? What's it for 56? This one is fairly easy, right? Who know these? The trig triplet. 3, 4, 5. You have what? The 5, the 12, and the 13. You have the 7, the 24, and the 25. You also have the 6, the 8, and the 10. So this one is 10. All right, just to show working for those who might not do it, what it is squares on this. So if you should put a square on this, a 6 by 6 square, and do the same thing for this, this would be an 8 by 8 square, right? So it could give you 64 squares, while this one would give you 36 squares. And all the total between this and this equal to this. So this side would equal to 100 square, right? This is equal to 100 square. So what would be the length if you get 100 squares? It would be 10. So after you find the 100, you find the square root, which is equal to 10. Become people from Trinidad, Guyana, Jamaica, Barbados, Bahamas, Cayman Islands, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Vincent. Pick up everybody. All right. Oh, my number is 876-549-2161. So it's 876-549-2161. So you find the square root, so it would have been 10. All right, next question, guys. It's almost to the end, you know. 57. What is the perimeter of the shape? Yeah, big up Jamaica too. If me never say it. The Marcus saying just learn this. Nothing wrong, man. That's why you're up on the live. All right. You'll never leave you do. As a live, you learn it fun. When you learn from live, if you got so easy, Here I am. That's how it's easy. So you square the number and then find the square root. Trinidad in the house. Redhead. Jamali. Redhead. Big up, man. Big up. Yeah, guys, represent your flag. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, man. Oh, you guys do that too? Where wanna get that? That not on my phone, Boy, I'm really have to go get on their phone one of these days. I don't know how you guys do that. The marker saying get 34. Let me show you guys the options. But I said B, which is 40. But Avagay says C, which is 48. All right, so let us explore it. All right, so guys, remember we have to find the missing sides in order to find the perimeter, right? Reason with me. So from here to here is 10. But from here to here is 5, and from here to here is 3. See there? This equal to this. So 5 plus 3, so this is a bit 2. Because all of this is supposed to be 10, right? Opposite sides equal. So we need to figure out this piece and this piece, which they're actually both equal. And we need to figure out this part by itself as well. All right. So then all of this is 14 from here to here. But from here to here is 8. So this will be 6 because 6 plus 8 give you 14. And this is equal to 6 as well. So let us add now. So we basically are going to stop here so as 8. We're going to use the 8 for this. All right, so 8 and 8, that's 16. Which is these two. Let me underline them, the one that we do. Plus the 10. We've got 2 plus 6, 8. Plus 3, 11. Plus that, 17. Something wrong, man. I miss off one. Oh, the 5. The 5, right here. The 5. Yeah. Let's add now. 7 and 6 is 13 plus 5, 18. So it's actually 48. So if you had said C, I agree with you. Somebody say I'm not seeing properly. Hold on. I wonder if I'm internet, bro. Alright, so I'm maximize it here. Sabrina, you see it now? Anybody that here from St. Mary's College? Guys, I soon respond to the call and text. I'm using the phone. Well, if it's somebody on the live, I'll respond, guys. I'll call you back. I'm getting all the messages, but I can't leave the chat. Alright, so let's move on now. So hopefully you see that, right? From here to here is 14, but here so you stop at 8, opposite sides equal. Here says 2 because you have all of this is 10. And you have 5 plus the 3, here's our 3. So that means you want 2 more to make 10. And then why this is 6? Because all of this is 14. From here to here is 8. 8 plus 6 give you 14. This side is equal to that side, right? And then we add. So we get the total. Them don't really care about the same question, you know, but they care about the same something. So we get a circle, and you see 14 as the radius. So that's how they do it. You basically get the same thing, but different numbers. So you really have to work them for yourself. You can't say, boy, I swat it, like some other exam. You have to know it, to work it out for yourself. The diagram shows a circular flower bed. What is the area of the flower bed? So what is the area of the flower bed? And it's a circular flower bed. So the options them there. So after this, guys, we have just 2 to go. Thanks to everybody who come out and participate and answer the questions. I will link back everybody who will link me on the WhatsApp, and we can dialogue from now on. But all the best in the exam, guys. All the best. And there are more videos if you want to practice. Yeah, for true. Remember to press like. Yeah, man. All right. Thanks so much. And it's a take pi as 22/7 for this one. So it'll be pi r squared. That's the formula, right? So pi, they say use 22/7. The radius is 7, so we're going to times it 2 times. So it's going to be 7 multiplied by 7. 70 itself 1. So 7 times 22, which gives us 154. Awesome job, guys. Awesome job. Well done. It's 154. 154 is the answer. All right, big up KC man in the house. 59 says, the diagram shows a solid meter cylinder with a diameter of 4 and a height of 10. What is the volume? What is the volume? Yeah, Blossom, City and Gills. Stay 3, guys. Stay 3. Tomorrow, all the best, everyone. All right, so I'm seeing B. Abigail, what number is the B for 59? Guys, so sad. We're coming to the end. Just one more left. Oh my God. But guys, remember the other papers are already on my channel. Look for the City and Guilds playlist. Those who can want to practice tonight, just go up on my channel. You should find the playlist, right? And you guys can share the playlist too, you know. I don't know, but you see somebody create a playlist with my videos. I was like, what? With the accounts and stuff. I didn't know that could have been done, but if you know if you do it, you can create it. Not just my video, anybody video you find useful, and put like a package so when students are look fit and then find a playlist so them can watch it. All that we can live, guys. We don't have to be enemies. We can be friends. Doesn't matter where you're from, doesn't matter which school you go, which community you come from. Whether you're rich or poor, black or white, we can all live on this. God himself about kill you. So why we are kill ourselves? If we try to make everybody live favor, it now go work. So why are we killing each other? Get what I'm saying? Alright, what's the volume for the cylinder? So let's say take pi as 3.14. So it's pi r squared which is the area of the circle part, times the height. Now they give us the height as 10. So if the diameter itself is 4, that means that the radius would be 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So the radius is 2. So it would have been 3.14 times 2 squared. And then now we times that by 10. So it will be 3.14. Easy way to do it, guys. We can multiply by 10 first. And then times it by 4. Because 2 squared is 4. So I can move the decimal place 1 time to the right. So it becomes 31.4 times the 4. 4, 4, 16. 6 carry 1. 4 ones, 4 and that 5. 4 3s 12. 125. Now it was 1 decimal place to begin with. So boom. Are we that? Drum roll. You can just make sure you subscribe, man. Just type in Linux Penny and you type in search and you see the next one. It's gonna be the second video after that one here. So you can watch from 1 to 30, alright? Or 1 to 31. A 1.5 hour doing it because we did a whole of vibes. We did a whole of vibes last night. You know lie. Alright, the side of the cube B are double the length of side of cube A. The volume of cube B is it A, 2 times the volume of cube A, B, 4 times the volume of cube A, or C, 8 times the volume of cube A, or D, 16 times the volume of cube A. As Michaela said, finally we come to the end. But guys, the work never ends with Mr. Bennett. I'm going to be doing the CXC. Guys, I have the videos already, you know, but I'm going to be doing some lives as well for the speed. So spread the word for those who do CXC. Link up Mr. Bennett. Everybody must subscribe already. If you get too much help, you must subscribe more. Anybody want to subscribe, I don't know what I'm going with them, honest. Alright, which is the answer? I'm seeing C. CXC paper 1 is on Friday or Thursday. I think it's the 6th. Lisa said I can't seem to get this one. You can get it, Lisa. Oh, Friday. Yeah, Friday. So I should be live on Thursday then. No, I need to go live before that, you know. I really need to go live. But I have my CXC class on Thursday, you know, guys. But guess what? I'm gonna try go Wednesday. I probably just ask my students to join me on the live. Yeah, I could do that, you know, on Thursday. I normally have class 6 o'clock. But I probably can just come home early, get some eat, while I bed, and just come on. Because most of you guys are home already. So I probably can just beat that. So all the persons who are faithful, I will be doing that. So I want to do it Wednesday. I want to do it Wednesday and Thursday. I have prep Monday, but I still will try, guys. Like how this is much easier than to record it. And you know, yeah. Alright guys, drum roll. So all you have to do, just plug in a number and test it. You can do that, you know, guys. It's a cube, so all sides are equal. So if cube B double it would have been 2. Now what would be the volume? The volume for A would be 1 times 1 times 1, right? So the answer for this is 1. Let us say CM3. 1 CM3. But for B, it would have been 2 times 2 times 2. which is 8 CM3, just for argument's sake. Look, we test it again. So we're lucky. Look, we use 2 now. If a 2, that means this double, this will be 4. And this will be, right? So 2 times 2 times 2 would give us 8. But if they want to double it, that will be 4 times 4 times 4. 4, 4, 16, and that's 64. Isn't that times 8? Yeah. Isn't that times 8? So our theory would have been true. It's actually C. So guys, let me just type my number for those who want it. And you don't know, if you plan to do CXC as you're an adult and you want to do it, after you pass City and Guilds stage 3, my summer school begins for CXC. Alright, so take that number here, guys. You can dialogue with me. And you guys can join my summer class. I'm going to have summer class for all level. All level. CXC, lower school, everybody. Last year I only did it for PEP. And you know, so many persons felt disappointed. But that because I took a long break. So I'm gonna take a shorter break and I'm gonna accommodate everyone this year. The demand is there, guys, and something. I want to start give some scholarship too. So I try make the money so I can start give some scholarship and try encourage the people them. Once you have money in your pocket, you're willing to work. That's just how it is. So I try to not just to educate the people, but I try to pay the people too. Even if I know much, yeah, contribution. This is stage 3. So guys, if you have not liked the video as yet, please like the video. Please like the video. So take care, guys. You can go and go watch my playlist. Just type in my name, Lennox Bennett, City and Guilds, and you will be fine. You will get all the videos and you can watch the playlist. I think about 10 videos, 10 past papers night. You can watch it. And there are more. Some that I do with my prep students. I think stage 2 is there too, you know. It's just that my phone got messed up and I lost my stage 2. But just go and thanks to everybody who come out. Alright, thanks so much, Simone. Thanks so much. And big up, guys. Everybody stay safe. Remember, guys, at Jamaica, these drivers don't look for them a drive. Alright, unfortunately, a lady died, so just watching yourself in the street and all of that. If you have their phone, hide it till they reach school, and then criminal will grab it. But everybody, stay safe. Big up. Guys, I literally teach about 10 hours today. I do 3 hours first, then I do 2 hours, like a 5. Then I do our next one, 6. About 8 hours, guys. So I get some rest now. But big up everyone. Stay safe. We'll try come on early tomorrow. If we wake up early. If we wake up 5 o'clock, I come on. From 5 to 6 or so. But stay safe, guys. If you subscribe, you will get the notification. Alright, Mr. Acosta. I'm gonna reply shortly, alright? Bye, Michaela. Take care, Lisa. Yeah, man, you're welcome. You guys, thanks for come. Big up Tony and Aline. Kiona, big up as well. Raheem, Peter, respect. Big up yourself, man. DNX. You think of the DMX, but this are the DNX. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. I don't know if he's a rapper, but big up yourself. Thompson, big up yourself as well. Everybody big up, man. Everybody. If you watch this 10 years from now, this is the year, what? 2024, big up yourself as well. Alright, doesn't matter, guys. So stay safe, guys. I'm going to end the meet now.